Okay, it's Angelo here again with another unboxing. Bought this a year or so ago. It's a Browning Black Label. No Boundaries. That's the name of the knife. So I'm not. Of course, I've already unboxed it. So here's what it comes in. It comes in a nice little box. Got a dude on there. So that's their labeling on it. So it's kind of a nice box, but anyways, let's get this knife out of here. Oh yeah. All right. So it comes in a pouch, in a little baggie, and there's the knife itself, and it comes with, I think I looked at the Browning probably warranty if there is one. I don't know. I've seen this before. I was like, it shows you kind of how to sharpen free-handed. It's kind of neat. But so it's the Browning.com, all that stuff. All right, so here's what we're really looking at. This is like I said, the Browning No Boundaries. So there's the front side. I like this knife. This is actually the second one I bought. I bought the tan on tan, which I'll show you in a second. I bought this one on Amazon actually. I've already put like a edge on it because I've had it a year or so. So there's and of course when I believe it comes tipped down to carry, and I switched it, and I actually dropped one of the screws, so it came with like a brass stainless looking screw, but I had to put a black one in. So it don't come with the black one, it comes with all brushed look. So if you get one, it won't have that black one. I just lost it and never could find it. So anyway, I got this one. I got wicked sharp, just because I was sharpening it. You know, I don't know how long I put an edge on it. I don't know, maybe 6 months ago. But all right. So we got on here. I'll go over it's a hollow grind. The blade is 3.5 inches long. The steel is 8CR13, which is kind of a lower end, but you'll find out a lot of knives now from $20 to $50. That 8CR13 MOV. I mean, I think one of the first ones I bought that had that, and I don't have a problem with that. This actually, the Brownings seem to hold an edge pretty good, and I don't know if it's got something to do with their heat tempering and all that stuff, heat treating. So I don't have a problem with the Brownings 8CR13. It takes a real nice edge. Actually, here's the tan one I bought before that. But they're both Browning Black Label No Bounds. So I'll set this here too, because that's the first one I actually bought. This is actually a sweet knife. I just like the color. And this is the same thing, but it is tan. And I have a lanyard on it, so I'll just lay this out. But I like this. Is the first one I bought, and I sharpened this one too. So we'll lay these both out since they are both Browning Black Label No Bounds. So the handles on both of them are the handle is 4.5 inches long. This one has obviously a black G10, and the tan one's tan G10. It's tip up, pocket clip deep carry. There is no. Well, see, I wonder. I take that back. It is tipped down on. Let's see, what would that be? There's tip up and tip down for right hand carry, and only tip up for left handed. So I believe it came tip down right-handed. So that's probably, yep, this is the same too. So that's probably what happened. I got it tipped down. It came tip-tap down, and I swapped. I like carrying my knives tip up. So a lot of people like carrying them tip down. A lot of people like carrying them tip up. It's all personal preference, but it's a manual flipper with a liner lock. It has a nice flip out. I did adjust the pivot, so I got it kind of loose. So it has a nice flip. One-handed close, you know. So this one's a little tighter. This one, yeah. So it's still not flip as good as that one, but anyways. So that's all right. So it has one bronze phosphorus and one nylon. I don't know if I can get my camera in there close enough to show you guys that. So yeah, see if we can. We might be able to if I find the right angle. You can see that on the top. You can see the bronze, and right on the bottom one, it's the larger one is the nylon. So you can see right in there. So it's a stainless steel liner lock. So this one particularly looks like 50% lockup. It's not hard. I mean, I can move it pretty easy. I think I got this one a little too loose. But I might have to tighten the pivot screw. But anyways, open pillar design. You see right through it. Nice for cleaning. You know, cleaning and rinsing them out if you get them dirty. It looks like some choiling there. Or jimping here and there, so it gets you. I can get it. I have large size hands, and I can get my hand on it totally. It has thumb studs for one hand opening, so you can flick it. There's no flipper, so it's the thumb studs. Well, this one in particular is black and gray blade, black G10 with the gray pocket clip. That number is 168 BL, and then this one's a tan. I don't know what you call it, but it's a tan dark flat earth and a tan kind of. It's just, I like this one. This is my favorite one. This is the first one I bought, so I like this one. I don't know if this one might be hard to find. I can't find that one anymore. I got this one at Fin Feather Fur in person. This one actually cost me 33 bucks. So I got this one a little cheaper on Amazon. I can't remember how much. I think it might have been like 25 to 27. But I can't find this one anywhere. So the Amazon gives them a 4.5 out of 5 stars with 51 reviews. I'd say I'd give it a 4, just because now I got different knives and I can't give it any higher than 4, but that's pretty good with the 8 CR steel that's on it. But like, it takes a real nice edge and shaving sharp easily when it did actually come. I think the one from Finn came. I think they both came shaving sharp, and I resharpened them, and they both take a real nice edge. It's about 5.5 ounces on what I measured. 5.5 ounces. These other two knives that are in the background are actually Browning Black Labels too. I just bought. So that's the Black Label, some Browning Black Label knives. There, kind of show you a little bit. But let's do some size comparisons. So we'll get rid of this, and then bring up this. Alright, so we'll use the black one on, and then we'll move this one up out of the way. Alright, so I already went over the how long it is and everything, but we'll put it on the mat, and you can see it's about 1, 2, 3, 3.5 boxes, which is about 3.5 inches. Handle is about 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. So 8 inches. So there's a nice visual how big it is. Let's see. Let's go with the Spyderco Tenacious next to it. We'll line them tip to tip. We got the Spyderco is a little longer. Looks like it's well, actually no, they're real close. They're a real close knife. So we'll put this one out of the way. How about the Gerber flat iron with my copper scale? This one's longer. The blades, the blade is a little shorter, but the handle is longer. But overall, it's still roughly in the same ballpark on knives. They're about the same. This is, of course, different design. This is your cleaver style, but so let's see. And we'll do one last one. The Honey Badger. Oh, I moved the wrong one out of the way. And here's the Honey Badger. The handle's a little bit longer on the Honey Badger than on the Browning Black Label, but all these knives, these 4 knives, well, including the tan one, are all roughly the same size. They're just around 8 inches long. Blades are all around 3.5 inches. So that's a real good comparison sizes right there. So let's see, pull these up. Let's see what they look closed. There's them closed. And then here's the 2 Brownings. There's the Brownings closed. Alright, so there you go. I like comparing the Tenacious. Everybody seems to have a Tenacious. That's why I like bringing it up, because it's kind of a good judge of the size. So the Honey Badger's too really new. I don't think enough people have that. And this one's actually, the flat iron's getting popular, but the Tenacious seems to be the one that everybody you can compare it to. So, all right. So there's your unboxing of the Browning No Boundaries, Browning Black Label No Boundaries knife. Black and tan. Have a good day. Bye.